guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed this bomb tutorial on this hair. I am wearing hair from Xrsbeauty Hair. So I will have all of the descriptions of this hair listed in the link below. But if you guys are interested in seeing how I slayed this hair and got it looking so luscious and pretty, keep on watching, and keep watching because I will be dropping the Black Friday deals for this company. Alright guys, so this is what the hair comes in. It's just this nice beautiful box that says Xrsbeauty. So it came with 2 clips, it came with a comb, an edge brush, a wave cap, and it also came with some flexi rod. So as you can see, this is also their new clear lace. As you can see straight through the lace. So this is not an HD lace or a transparent lace, it's their all new clear lace. This first time I did the video for their company, I had that same clear lace. So this is the same clear lace, which melts into the skin perfectly, y'all. So I'm going ahead and cutting off my ear area. I'm going to be using a razor and scissors because I just need it done. But y'all, do y'all see that? The lace is still on there, okay? It is melted. The lace is still on there. It's blended in with my skin perfectly. So now I'm just going ahead and cutting off the perimeter of my hairline and taking off all that extra lace before I begin to apply it on. Now I'm just going up and lifting up the lace and getting it out the way. I'm going to be cleaning my hairline. I'm wiping off any excess oils, all the makeup that's on my face. I know it looks funny, but you guys, it is so much better to put your lace on with a clean hairline, because when you do wipe off your makeup, there will be like makeup cast if you don't do it this way. So I've learned that the hard way. Make sure you guys are cleaning up your hairline, and it also helps your lace to last longer. As far as lace glue, I'm going in with my So Melted lace glue. This can be purchased from my website www.sochar.co, and I also have it in the description box so you can get my products as well. And I am also wearing lashes for me. I do have a lash book coming out for Black Friday, so make sure you check it out. These lashes are included in the lash book, and these are lashes in the style Bougie. So now I've went ahead and just placed the lace on there, and as you can see, it melted in perfectly to my skin. Now I'm just going ahead and going in with my wax stick. This is also my wax stick, and I'm just adjusting the part with my hot comb. I'm going to go ahead and begin to do my baby hairs once I finish setting out my hot comb. I'm going to go ahead now and just start to part out the areas for my baby hairs and just get everything ready. I'm going in sections. I won't be doing a middle swoop. I'm only going to do the left and right temple and then my side swoops. Because this hair is thick and curly, before I do my baby hairs, I am going to just hot comb them a little bit and just get them a little straight from the roots area. But you guys, do you see how beautiful this hair is? The wig came already with the knots bleached, and the wig is pre-plucked. Literally took it out the bag and put it on. Like, this hair is everything. I'm now just going in with my scissors and I'm just cutting off my baby hairs. I'm not going to be too detailed on this because I have like several videos on these baby hairs. But I'm just going ahead and cutting off all the excess hair before I begin curling it with my curling iron. Now I'm just going in with my curling iron. This is a very skinny curling iron, and I am now curling as close as possible to the hairline, and I'm gonna go ahead and continue and do that around the 4 pieces. This is the first one. I got 3 more to go. So my camera died on the first part, so it overheated. So now I'm just going in with my baby hair glue. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off some of the extra pieces because they were too long, and I'm now just swooping it. And as you can see, I'm kind of rotating it with my finger and tracing that along. So now that is the kind of look that I'm going for, and I'm just going to keep brushing it along until I get it to my likings, and I'm just going to let the rest of my baby hairs play out. Now I'm going to be taking my melt band. I did apply some Got To Be on my hairline, and now I'm just going to take my melt band and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Okay, so my baby hairs are now dry. So and I just pull it off. I'm sad because right here got messed up. It didn't dry correctly. No! And I already took my napkin with gel and folded that thing up. Okay, hold on, y'all. My baby hair must like spin thingy. The circle swoop, it kind of like dried straight up. Come on. Alright, so this is how it looks. I want to do something a little different. I wanted to pull out some pieces, like right here, like cut it with some scissors. I might cut it too short, but I want to curl it, y'all. And I burnt myself earlier. I don't know if y'all caught it in the video or not. But oh baby, I burnt the shit on my face. I'm just gonna do this. Leave it like that. There. And I'm gonna let that piece hang out. And then I'm gonna do the same to the other side. Pull out that corner piece. So quick detail, so I'm now gonna be announcing at the beginning I tell you guys I was gonna be announcing the company, their Black Friday deal. So this is hair from XRS. Oh my god, I love this hair from XRS. For one, like I literally, this is like, it's not a lot of companies that do this, but literally like you pull this hair out the box and get it put in. Like I didn't pluck it like you guys watched. Like I literally pulled it from the bag and took it out the bag and just started applying it. I didn't pluck it. I didn't have to bleach the knots on it. I really didn't have to do anything but install it. I didn't bleach the knots. I didn't pluck it or nothing. So that is like a plus for this company. So they are going to be doing a sale. They are having a major Black Friday sale. Hold on. They are having like a major Black Friday sale, and they are going to be giving 20% off using, I'm going to tell you the code in a second, but you will be able to save up to $70 on a wig with their Black Friday sale. So the sale begins November 26th, and it is going to end at night at 12 a.m. And the discount code will be XRS156, and the coupon will expire November 26th at 12 a.m. So that'll be the last time to purchase. But yeah, hold on y'all, this side don't want to curl the way the other side did. So you will be able to save up to $70 50% off on a bomb wig just like this. And I know if you guys remember, like a couple weeks ago, I actually did another video for the company, and I did a half up, half down with straight hair, and y'all went crazy about that hair. Everybody was asking me about it, asking me where to do it. I had made a video on TikTok and it blew up on TikTok. The hair is very, very beautiful. So this time we went with straight. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I'm going to style it now. I'm just gonna first take my hot comb and go into certain areas to flatten it out, and then I'm gonna do like 2 halfway braids. But first, I'm going to hot comb the areas so it can be nice and flat. But y'all see the hair. It is so thick and beautiful. Alright, so now I have some time left. I'm just going to go ahead and space off certain areas and just pass my hot comb down. And I'm honestly going into like big chunks. So as you can see, that's how one side looks, flat and silky and perf. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. I'm gonna take my lighter concealer brush. I'm gonna take my lighter concealer powder, and I'm just going to go along my center part. And as you can see, I'm just working my way and trying to go straight up. And I'm just gonna go ahead and do it like that so it's not too perfect. Then I don't know where my spritz is, so I'm just gonna take my oil sheen, my Got To Be Free spray, and just go like that. And then I'm going to take my Sleek Mist spray, and I'm just gonna give myself some mist. And this will stop your hair from frying when you hot comb it, and it also gives it a really pretty shine. Alright guys, so now my hair is completely finished. I'm gonna go ahead and go wet it and get it damp a little bit. Once I finish wetting it, I'll come back and show you guys. But before I show you guys how it looks wet, let me just slide back so you guys can see how it falls on me. This is a 30-inch, so this is how it looks dry. I haven't put nothing in it. This is it in its natural state, and I think that is beautiful. Okay guys, so this is the final look, and this is how the hair. Okay, so this is the final look of the hair. I didn't really do much to it. I just added water. I didn't put any product in it. The hair is very thick. It just looks so good. I love it. And yes, Xrsbeauty Hair for the win. I love it. The discount code for their Black Friday sale will be 20% off, so you will be able to save up to $70 on a wig, even this wig. The coupon code is Xrs156. So I have it in the screen, and I'll have everything on the sale and the blowout sale in my description box. You guys will also be able to win some prizes. Their website will be having a spinning wheel, so you'll be able to win some prizes and get you some hair, get you some good deals for Black Friday. This company has bomb hair, and I love working with them, as you guys can see. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Happy Thanksgiving, happy holidays to my followers. Make sure y'all catch this sale on this bomb quality hair. I am so thankful for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching.